Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So if you're new today, you are highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So this is a quick one, and we are going to prepare fresh jollof rice. So here I have all the ingredients I'm going to use to cook this yummy jollof rice, and I've gone ahead and added chicken stock, my pot. You can go ahead and add your olive oil, coconut oil, whatever oil you want to use. So yeah, after that I went ahead and added my rice, and I'm going to add other ingredients I'm going to be using. So after this, I'm just going to pour in the blended bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, which I've told you earlier. I'm just going to pour everything and throw in some fresh bay leaves and rosemary leaves, and also thyme. I'm just going to add them like that. We are not frying this today. So yeah, after that I'm going to add Maggi. Just add whatever you want to add this time. So now, as you can see, I just added Maggi, and I'm pouring everything I blended into my rice. Yes, this is fresh jollof rice. You can just add every other thing you want to add. Yeah, I just rinsed the blender and make sure I added all the water in there. So this is ehuru. Or you can add your ehuru, you can add your normal nutmeg. I just throw in some bay leaves, and I added some chopped onions. And I'm going to stir and make sure that everything is well combined. So that's it. After that, I'm going to cover my pot and allow to cook. So back in my pot, this is about 15 minutes, and yeah, our rice is cooking really well. I'm going to stir this beautifully. You want to make sure you combine everything together. Yeah. And I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook for roughly 10 minutes to 12 minutes more. So this is how it turned out. So yeah, this is jollof rice. This is a quick one, as I told you, and it came out really yummy and awesome. And yeah, it was so delicious. It tasted really amazing, and yeah, delicious. Yeah, this is a quick way to prepare your jollof rice, and yeah, you don't have to fry anything. Yeah, and yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this yummy food. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye bye. Bye, lovelies.